Microbiate presents their Spill Kit Demo, a conventional oil spill in soil at industry operating heavy machinery. It's removed in 3 easy steps. First, step 1, the contents of the package, or package 1, are spread evenly over the contaminated surface. Step 2, packet 2 is opened and sprinkled evenly over the contaminated surface. Step 3, the site is raked to mix thoroughly, mix the contents of the kit with the spill, and watered to saturate the site and activate the microorganisms. After 1 month, the soil appears visibly clean and the vegetation is returning. Within 3 months, the spill is completely remediated and the soil meets the Ministry of the Environment standard.